track 610, fly straight out, runway 19, clear for takeoff.
Straight out, runway 19, clear for takeoff, clear track 610.
Cessna 74 uniform traffic on the roll, Cessna runway 19, clear to land.
Alright, cleared land 19, looking for traffic 7874 uniform.
Cherokee 92 Tango, traffic 12 o'clock, a mile and a half, Cessna on final 1000 indicated. Number 2, runway 19, cleared touch and go, then left turn on course approved.
Alright, we have the traffic in sight, number 2 for the runway, clear 19, touch and go, then left turn on course. 92 Tango.
Conroe Tower, King Air 472 Juliet Lima, holding short 19 at Juliet, ready for departure, IFR to Alliance.
Cherokee 2692 Tango, abandon the approach, maintain VFR, proceed east, fly eastbound, and squawk VFR.
Alright, abandon approach, fly eastbound, squawk VFR, 92 Tango.
Clear track 610, traffic passing left right in the downwind to Cherokee, right turn west approved till leaving the Delta, then north on course.
Right turn, leaving the Delta, then north approved, clear track 610.
Thrust 530, I can make this landing a full stop, or we can exit the Delta, your call.
Yeah, full stop is perfectly fine, thanks for your help, Thrust 532.
530, roger, extend down and I'll call your base here in a second.
Send down when you'll call base, Thrust 532.
74 uniform, where are you parking, sir?
General.
74 uniform, roger, no delay off at Bravo and over ground, thank you.
Alright, no delay at Bravo over the ground, 74 uniform.
Cherokee 92 Tango, squawk VFR, free change approved, have a good day.
Squawk VFR, free change approved, 92 Tango.
Conroe round 115A Victor for a radio check, please.
115A Victor, line clear.
Thank you.
Conroe ground, Scott 7874 uniform on Bravo to General.
7874 uniform, Conroe ground, straight into the rim, good day.
Straight into the ramp, 74 uniform.